Black & Decker portable air conditioners often shut off randomly due to power-related issues. Let's diagnose the most common power problems step by step. When your portable AC unit shuts off unexpectedly, the first step is checking the power connection. Most shutdown issues stem from inadequate power supply. Always plug your AC unit directly into a wall outlet on a dedicated 15-amp circuit. Avoid extension cords and power strips, as they cannot handle the high power requirements and may cause shutdowns. Many Black & Decker units have an LCDI plug with test and reset buttons. Test this plug before each use by pressing the test button. The unit should shut off. Then press reset to restart it. Check your circuit breaker or fuse box to ensure the circuit hasn't tripped. Look for any breakers in the middle position and reset them by switching fully off, then back on. If problems persist, perform a unit reset. Unplug the air conditioner, wait 3 to 5 minutes for internal components to discharge, then plug it back in and test operation. If shutdowns continue after these steps, internal components may be overheating due to insufficient power delivery. This indicates a need for professional inspection, especially if the LCDI plug is damaged or electrical components require replacement. When power isn't the issue, thermostat and sensor problems are often the culprit behind random shutdowns. Let's examine the key settings and diagnostics. First, verify your thermostat settings. The temperature must be set lower than the current room temperature for the unit to operate properly. Temperature sensors can be overly sensitive, causing the compressor to shut off prematurely, even when the room isn't adequately cooled. Error codes provide crucial diagnostic information. The PF code indicates probe failure, meaning the temperature sensor needs replacement. For complex sensor issues, professional diagnosis is recommended. Technicians can test sensor accuracy and replace faulty components safely. Future air conditioner models will feature smarter sensors with improved diagnostics, but for current units, proper thermostat settings and professional sensor maintenance remain essential.